Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a cool background or a cool picture on IbisPaint X. So first, you're on your first layer, and so choose a brush, and you can just start doing your background. I'm gonna do it this way. I really like the colors, so I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna color it like this. So now we have our background, and so now I'm going to add a second layer and color over it. Then I'm going to go to this ruler button, and I'm going to go to symmetry ruler, and I'm going to tap this button. Now I'm going to go to eraser. Now look, it makes cool patterns like that. So yeah, and then when you want to see it, it's right there without the blue lines. So yeah, it's pretty easy actually. So yeah, if you were wondering how to do that, which I don't know if you were, but if you were, then I hope this was helpful. So bye guys.